Today, we are going to build out your dream portfolio in a matter of minutes, demonstrating all your skills, showing who you are, and getting it live online for everyone to see for completely free. First, you're going to want to set up a Wix website and a GitHub page. Let's start with the Wix and build that out. On there, for absolutely free, you can make a variety of different templates your own. Add in some headshots, some images, link it to your CV, say a bit about yourself. If you're unsure what to say about yourself, we've got that covered. Go into ChatGPT. In there, give it a little bit of information, what you want to convey, and let it start writing. You can further prompt it to make it more concise, or you could put it straight in and just adjust it a little bit yourself. Then, you're going to have to actually start making these projects. I've got a number of videos that gives you all the data files you need, all the code that I've used, for you to alter and put straight into your portfolio, all for free. Then, what we're going to want to do is add this to your portfolio page via linking it in GitHub, if it's Python or SQL code. You can also add screenshots, step by step, a conclusion, an introduction bringing you into the project, the reasons behind it. So let's pull up on screen now a couple examples of my own personal portfolio that's got me jobs in data science roles and how you can build it. Here you'll see my website with that nice animated background. Scrolling down brings us to the About You section, a very brief introduction to who I am and what I do. You'll note down there I've got links to all my socials, being this YouTube page, my Fiverr, and even my LinkedIn. What I will do is press to know more, and I'll see this more in-depth introduction. I've even gone as far to add a quick summary video that I've created and showed before on this channel. Coming down the page is a very simple contact form, along with my socials back there at the top. This makes it easy for people to get in touch with me, and if they want to know more, I can let them know. Now the meat of this, the portfolio. You'll see a number of projects which you yourself may recognise. Many of them have been on this channel, demonstrated by myself. If we have a look at one at the top here, which I know I've done a video on, the Excel Olympic History Interactive Dashboard, and go all the way to the bottom, you'll see that yes, I have linked it to the video. Now what I've done in this is included screenshots and text to explain step by step what I did, how I did it, and why. At the top, you'll note that there's even a little introduction which brings you into the project, gives you some context, with all the associated Kaggle links and otherwise. In other projects, I've used GitHub links like I mentioned earlier to demonstrate the code so everyone can see it. Now, I'm going to walk through step by step how you would set up a Wix website from one of the templates they provide. Let's click on one here. You'll note for me, it did take a little while to load. And being that this is the year for artificial intelligence, right away it's asking, do I want it to write it for me? Very useful. If we zoom into this a little bit, just clicking in there, you'll see that everything is very customizable. I can click on this photo, change the dimensions, of course replace it with an upload of my own, or even go into the Wix library and use a variety of their own images and videos. So let's pick one here. Once I've changed it, I can change the text, say I'm Mr. Woodworker, I'll write that in, readjust the size, and then we can look into the other pages. What's great about Wix is that you're able to preview it at each step and see how it looks both on mobile, which we'll see later, and on a laptop. So if we hit preview, this will be the home page. Taking us through to the more project section, the portfolio. Again, all of this is customizable. Now what I would do is click and add a section, such as a contact section, and simply just drag it in. You'll see it's very drag and drop, similar to Power BI. Now, once that's in there, again, you can delete it, you can move it, you can move just the title if you wanted to, any of the elements. It really does work quite well. You can also add animations, as I'll show here shortly, once I've deleted a few things, and I'll show you the mobile preview here. As you can see scrolling down, we'll put an animation on this visual. Now all the very best, and good luck.